Come see how I decorated my house for Christmas this year. Welcome! Merry Christmas! Come on in! Hey, Tori here with ToriToth.com, the place to be to create a home buyers or anyone for that matter will find irresistible. So this year, the year of 2020, oh my goodness, it's almost over and it's been a crazy, crazy year. But I wanted to still decorate my new apartment this year. Even though I was going to be celebrating by myself, I felt the need to just decorate a little bit for the season, and I want to show you in this house tour how I actually used my previous decorations to create this space. So in the front door, I hung a wreath I created last year out of a boa. I'll put a link to that video down below. As you enter the apartment, you walk into the kitchen. My kitchen offers tons of counter space, so I utilize a variety of trees in varying textures and heights, an advent calendar, a bell, a small sign, and gold deer to create a festive scene around my smaller appliances. On the upper cabinets, I hung a gold bell with some string, again using varying heights to add interest and direct the eye around the room. I even placed 2 wooden houses and faux garland from Target's Magnolia home line on top of the fridge. Moving into the dining room, I replicated the trees from the kitchen as a centerpiece corralled on a birch tray from Pier Imports. I also brought in a wreath pillow and created this Paper Source DIY winter wreath that I layered on top of the existing art hung. I'm still waiting on furniture for the living room, so I used limited decor in this space. Again, adding some trees on the side table, a green and white houndstooth pillow on the couch, and decorated a fake white Christmas tree. I'll share a link below showing you how I transformed this $40 tree from Walmart. You'll also find a faux bouquet of winter greenery and red flowers in the bathroom and another simple wreath hanging on the patio. It's amazing when just a few decorations can not only change your mood but inspire you and create this magic in your home to create that cozy, welcoming feeling for the holidays. Guys, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I'm so thankful for all of you guys who sit here and watch my videos. And if you liked this video, go check out this video next. You can always subscribe down below, and for more home staging and decorating tips, you can check out our website at ToriToth.com. Until next time, Merry Christmas!